Yeah, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We're doing a copycat recipe today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme. I know y'all love them things because I do too. So get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Right here we have our ground beef. We have some sour cream here. We have a burrito size flour tortilla here. So you wanna make sure you get the large flour tortillas. Right here we have street size taco tortilla here. Shredded lettuce, chopped tomatoes. Right here we have tostadas, and that gives it that crunch. Now, if you don't have tostadas, you can use taco shells. You just break them up. And also, if you don't have street size taco, you can also put this tostado here, cut a circle around it like this, and pull that particular piece out of this fajita. You'll be wasting the fajita, but it gives you this same size just like that. See what I'm saying, guys? Some nacho cheese here, shredded cheddar cheese, taco sauce, and that's all we got. Let's get to it. All right, so to get this party started, we're gonna start adding our ground beef here to our skillet or to our pan. And we're just gonna start breaking this up as we cook it and brown it. You wanna season this with your taco seasoning. We're gonna continue to cook that until it's brown. All right guys, so it looks like we are good right here. Our meat is brown, so we're gonna pause our heat. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and turn it off. And if you need to drain the grease, go ahead and drain the grease. I don't have any grease in mine. I'm working with about a 95.5 percentage in terms of ground beef to fat. So it doesn't produce a lot of grease. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna add to the bowl, and we're gonna head over to our cutting board. All right guys, so we're gonna get into the assembly piece of our Crunchwrap. We're gonna take a spoonful of ground beef. We're gonna add it here. And I try to make it like the same size as my tostada is gonna be in terms of diameter. So I'm gonna add a little bit more here. And that way it gives you enough room also to fold it. And that's how I kind of measure mine out like that. We're gonna come across that with some of our cheese, our nacho cheese like that. We're gonna add our tostada here. Take our sour cream. We're gonna spread it over the top of our tostada like this. We'll combine that with our lettuce, some tomatoes, and some shredded cheese. So now we're gonna take our street taco tortilla. We're gonna add it here to the top like that, just like that. And the fun part, with some people is challenging, is to fold this baby up. So only thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take one side of it from the bottom like this, fold it up, and you're just kind of like gonna go in like counterclockwise, and you're gonna fold this in here like that. You're gonna take the other side, you're gonna bring that up and fold it like this, and then you're gonna take this last half, and you're gonna do the same thing, and you're gonna fold it up like this. And it's gonna almost look like an octagon, just like this. And you wanna immediately turn that baby over, sit it right there, and to the side while we do the rest of them. So I'm gonna show you quickly how to do another one. Just watch me, I ain't gonna talk through it. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we have our 2 crunch wraps already prepared. Now let's go ahead and jump over to our cooktop so we get them cooked up, all right? All right, so now we're at our cooktop. We're gonna heat like a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm sorry, vegetable oil. I'm always using olive oil. And once that oil heats up, you wanna add your crunch wrap seam side down. And we're gonna cook this like 3 minutes per side until it's nice and brown. All right, we're gonna get this baby flipped over. Man, look at that. That's what we're looking for. All right, guys, it looks like we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. I'm gonna sit it on the wired rack while I finish up our last crunch wrap, all right? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove our last crunch wrap. Look at that, guys. We're gonna add this over here to our heating rack. Now we're gonna move over to our cutting board. And guys, there you have it. Taco Bell Taco Supreme Crunch Wrap. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. This looking good, ain't it? Let's go. All right, guys, we back in here, quality control. We're gonna bring this crunch wrap to the front of the congregation. Man, come on now. Y'all already know what we're working with right here. Y'all know what we're working with. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Oh man. Man, this baby's so cheesy-y, crunchy-y, beefy-y. Oh man. Taco Bell ain't got nothing on this. Guys, definitely add this one to your arsenal, to them. Y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. Just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.